That's not what I'm looking for. Okay, this is the newest version of libsound file, or the very new one. So how would OGG be disabled in the local copy? I mean, we don't patch this, or do we? Let me look at the patches. Libsound file. Patches. Maintainer mode patch. .024. Okay, let me check. That's a slightly older version. What? Can't help feeling I'm missing something. Disable external libs. No, that's generic, I think. Yeah, everything after, I don't know. Yeah, why isn't... I don't know why there is no... There's no OGGs. This is confusing me. I don't want to commit it till I know this. I mean, we don't like have some weird patch that disables OGG. Let me look in source just to make sure. Yeah, I mean, it looks good. Is there an OGG? There's a news file. That's neat. Yeah. So when did the OGG stuff come in? That was 2007. That's what Eric said. And yeah, I don't see it, but that was 2009. John Fitch, I believe he's the guy who does Loris. Analysis synthesis with, I call them stochastic frequency modulation noise bands. Probably calls them something else. But anyway, I did a similar project. No, that's not John Fitch. John Fitch is the Linux audio guy that looks like Terry Riley. He gives awesome talks. least I think he's not Loris. I'm curious now. John Fitch. Loris. It's a John something. That's probably for Loris. Yeah. Yeah, he's, I guess, a CSUN guy. Loris doesn't get any hits. Loris sound. Kelly Fitz. It sounds a little bit like John Fitz. Yeah. Alright, so if there's OGG support, we definitely process AU, WAVE, and AIF, and probably some of these other files, including RAW. But where do we disable OGG? Let me do a Google, because there might be some info. OGG libsyn file Audacity. I don't know. Because if this is a problem, this would make the compressed support very, very slow. Everything uses the OGG files, and we do a very naive way of processing those. Yeah, anyway, I mean, it seems like, I don't know. If it's fixed in version 1.024, then we could already just enable it for that. Yeah, so let me look at this Nabble thread. What version was this? I think they mentioned it. So this was on, yeah, around March 20th. So the bug is at least from 21 to 23. So it says that Ubuntu 1 is built with OGG support, but ours isn't. Okay. Yeah. Leland has the best emails. I really like Leland's emails. Definitely spends time thinking about what to write, as opposed to someone like me. Yeah, so it looks like interestingly enough, we skipped that. I want to check one thing that's related to all this. That is about block files. They're the compressed guys. I don't see a compressed file anywhere. You know what I'll do? I'm gonna run I'm gonna see what happens in this Audacity. And let me check the version. You can also see the libraries. Lib sound file. That's weird that we don't. I guess these are the optional ones. But we should definitely stick lib sound file in here. I guess it's here. Yeah, this must be stuff you can enable and whatever. Well, doesn't say system or not. But we can import build.org. Yeah, this is bad. Actually, that looked kind of quick. No, that wasn't that quick. Not for a 3-minute file. What I do want to do though is, with this version, yeah, I'm gonna take this and run it one more time. This time I want to check to make sure the compressed save is not broken. I doubt that we use log files that way. I doubt that we use that lib sound file to decompress those OGG files. But just in case, we have to check it out. Yeah. That's weird, isn't it? I don't know why it's asking you to save. Oh, I guess alright. Yeah, see, it imports as OGG. So this is good. This is definitely a good thing. Let's cd to source and commit.